Samsung Galaxy A35, awesome power, affordable price. Hey tech fans, are you looking for a smartphone that delivers a seamless experience without breaking the bank? Well, I'm here to tell you all about the Samsung Galaxy A35, an awesome mid-range device that packs a punch. Slick design and display. Let's kick things off with the A35's design. It boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic that feels great in your hand. The 6.6-inch Infinity V display is seriously impressive for the price point. With crisp visuals and vibrant colors, everything from gaming to watching videos becomes a treat. Plus, the super smooth refresh rate makes scrolling and navigating a breeze. Capture awesome moments. When it comes to cameras, the Galaxy A35 doesn't disappoint. At the heart of its camera system is a versatile 50MP main sensor, which produces stunning photos with great detail and clarity, even in different lighting conditions. The depth and macro lenses add even more creative possibilities. Want to capture those awesome group shots or scenic landscapes? The ultrawide lens fits more into your frame. And, for those selfie lovers, the front-facing camera delivers bright, natural-looking portraits. Power under the hood. The Galaxy A35 is powered by a capable processor that handles daily tasks and multitasking with ease. This means you can switch between apps, play games, and stream content without annoying lags or hiccups. Combine that with a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery, and you can count on this phone to keep up with your busy lifestyle. You easily get a full day's use out of it, and with fast charging support you'll quickly top up the battery when needed. Awesome 5G connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy A35 has another major perk: it's 5G compatible. This means you'll get to experience blazing fast data speeds, making downloads and streaming incredibly snappy. Plus, 5G ensures smooth online gaming and reduced lag when video conferencing. Expandable storage. Running out of space for your photos, videos, and apps is a real bummer, but the Galaxy A35 has you covered. It offers generous internal storage options and even has a microSD card slot. This allows you to expand the storage, providing ample room for all your digital goodies. Software and security. The Galaxy A35 runs on Samsung's user-friendly One UI software, based on Android. It's intuitive, customizable, and delivers a smooth experience. Samsung also takes security seriously, providing regular security updates to protect your device and personal data. Is the Samsung Galaxy A35 worth it? Absolutely. The Galaxy A35 delivers a compelling blend of great features and affordability. Whether you need a powerful camera system, long battery life, or the advantages of 5G, this device has something for everyone. If you're intrigued and want to explore this awesome device further, I encourage you to check out the other videos, linked in the description or in the playlist.